Yeah, good evening, everyone. Uh, Yesterday, type conversions are given. Uh, you studied identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, next variables, next type conversions. Okay. Type conversions is studied. Here, data types. How many categories of data types are there? How many categories? Say, if you forget subject, not possible. Okay. Topic to topic relation will be there. So if you forget, not possible. It is technical subject. Lots of practice required. You have to remember. Now how to practice, how to use, still I didn't explain. Present, you remember subject. Later, how to practice, I'll explain. Now, how many categories of data types? Two categories. What are those? Primitive data types, reference data types. Okay. Primitive data types, how many are there? 8. How many subcategories? 4. What are those? Integers, floating point numbers, characters, Boolean. In integers category, how many data types are there? 4. What are those? Byte, short, int, long. Floating point numbers, how many data types? 2. What are those? Float, double. Characters category, how many? 1. That is char. Boolean category, 1. That is Boolean. Total primitive data types, 8. Okay. What are reference data types? Arrays, strings, classes, interfaces, dash dash, etc. So there are many. You can create n number of. So that's what dash dash, etc. Say primitive data types fixed. Reference data types not fixed. You can create primitive, predefined. Reference you are going to create. Array means you have to create. String object you have to create. Class we have to create. Like that we have to create reference data types. Okay. Now data types you are learning data types with that only conversions. Now topic to topic relation will be there. That's what you have to remember subject. Otherwise you cannot understand. Primitive data types. 8 data types are there. 8 data types. One data type to another data type. Conversion. That is only type conversion. Okay. Now, 8 primitive data types. Each data type converting into other 7. Total how many conversions? How many? 56. Total 8 data types. Each data type, other 7 types. Total 56. In 56, how many not possible? 14. 14 not possible. Which are 14? Boolean cannot be converted to other types, and other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. So Boolean to other 7. Other to Boolean 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 error. Remaining 42. 42. In 42, how many done by system? 19. These 19 always valid. Okay. Remaining how many? 23. These 23 error comes. Can we solve these errors? Yes. These 14 we cannot solve. So total number of conversions 56. Okay. Total number of type conversion 56. Out of 56, 14 error comes. Those errors we cannot solve. Remaining 42. Out of 42, 19 done by system implicitly. 23 must be done by programmer explicitly. Okay, 19 must be done by system. 19 system will do. System converts implicitly. 23 error comes. That error we can solve. Explicit type conversion required. But here it is very simple how to remember 14. Boolean cannot be converted to other types. Other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. That point, if you remember, enough. 19, if you remember, 23, no need to remember. If it is not there in that 19, that is 23. Okay. Now, 19 conversions. How to remember also explained. Top to bottom. See, which are 19? Just give answer. Byte to short, int, long, float, double. Next, short to int, long, float, double. Next, int to long, float, double. Next, long to float, double. Next, float to double. Next, char to int, long, float, double. See, just this 19 conversions, if you remember, any code snippet you can give answer. It is possible. Now, I'll give some more examples. Yesterday, I given 9 or 10 examples I given. How many I given? 9. You observe. One more. See, 10th one. 10th one. Int a equal to 10. Float b equal to a. System dot out dot println b. Here, system dot out dot println line till I didn't explain. I'll explain later. Today not possible. Okay, that is I'll cover later. You concentrate on type conversion. Now, int a equal to 10, float b equal to a. Now b I am printing. Here a which type? A which type? Integer type. B which type? Float type. Here a copied in b or b copied in a? A copied in b. That means a which type? Int. B which type? It is integer to float or float to integer? This is integer to float. Integer to float. Okay. Into to float. Online students, listen with more concentration. Listen with more concentration. Yesterday, many people asked doubts. If you listen with concentration, you will not get any doubt. I'm teaching very slowly, you observe. Because logical part, slowly I'll teach. Theoretical part, anybody can understand. But listen with more concentration. Int a equal to 10, float b equal to a. You observe. Here, a int type, b float type. It is into to float. Into to float comes under 19 conversion or 23 conversion. Into to float. Here, int is here, float is here, into to float. So it is comes under 19 conversion. It is valid. If it is there in that list, valid. If it is not there in that list, explicitly we have to convert. If it is Boolean is there, explicitly also not possible. Okay. Now into to float, it's a valid. Then output. Here B we are printing. B which format? Float format. That's what decimal point 0 added. Output 10.0. Write this one. Output 10.0. Is it over? So A which type? Integer type. B which type? Float type. It is integer to float or float to integer? Integer to float. It comes under 19 and 23? 19. So here it is there. So valid. But we are printing B. B which format we are printing? That's what 10.0 float format printed. See, theory, if you learn, no use. Remember, already in academics, pages, paragraph theory learn. Okay. But again in Amirpet also, if you study theory, Amirpet course also wasted. It will be happen. Put efforts, work hard for logics. It is hard appears, I'll accept. But put efforts, work hard. If you want to get a job in MNC, if you want to learn Java, you must learn like this only. Either learn like this or don't learn. It is better. But if you are learning unnecessary theory, no use. Okay. Then again, time wasted. That's it. Put efforts, work hard to understand. If you don't understand, ask me. Once again, one more example I'll teach. Like that. Put efforts, work hard. Here, thousands of people are learning, but all are not getting jobs. Reason, they are not familiar logically. Logically, they are not strong. That is a major problem. Logically, if you are strong, there are so many opportunities. Company requires logics, but majority of the students learning pages theory. Then how they'll reach target? Not possible. That's what. Put efforts, work hard for logics. This is a way to learn Java. Okay. This is only, I'll write reverse. You observe. Now I'll write reverse. 11th question. Float A equal to 93.456. First, this line is valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Now my question is, this line is valid or not valid? 1 minute. 1 minute. How many people answer valid? Just raise your hand. How many people answer not valid? Okay. Why it is not valid? Every float literal must be suffixed with small f or capital F. That point also I covered. No? It is not valid. Every float literal, floating point literal must be suffixed with a small f or capital F in Java. Otherwise, error. See, like these questions also they'll give. Like later type conversion they'll give. But first line only error. They won't observe. They'll do typecasting only, they'll check. They will make it confused. Definitely they'll make it confused. But you should not get confused. You should work hard. That logics are present in core Java only. Later, nothing. Advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices, these are nothing. If you are perfect in core Java, advanced onwards, it is nothing. Very simple. Okay. But without core only, they are struggling. That is happening. If you are perfect in core Java, remaining all yourself also you can learn. Possible. But core Java, if you learn yourself, you may understand 50% subject or you may understand wrong also. That will be happen. But core Java, put efforts. It is an error. See, every float literal must be suffixed with small f or capital F. See, float A equal to any number you have to write small f or capital F. After this, int B equal to A. System.out.println B. Here, it is integer to float or float to integer? Float to integer. Float to integer comes under 19 or 23? 23. See, float to double is there. Remaining all 23. So it is not valid. It's an error. Write this one also. It is an error. A float type, B int type. So float to integer. A is a float type, B is a int type. So float to integer. Float to integer not there in that list. That it comes under 23. So it's an error. So float A equal to 94.456 F into B equal to A. Float to integer. It's an error. This error can be solved. Yes. Suppose that is only 12th one. Float A equal to 94.456 F. After that, into B. What we have tried in the brackets? Integer or float? Int you have tried. If you write float again, there is no difference. Okay. Now A. Then system dot out dot println B. Now it is valid. But what we are printing? B. B which format? Integer. Point something is there, no, that is truncated. You will get it only integer part. So output is 94. That remaining part truncated. Remaining part truncated. You will get a only integer part 94. Output 94. 0.456 truncated. 0.456 truncated. You'll get a 94. Okay. Is it over? Now, I'll ask one more question. Say, total 56 conversions. 56 implicitly, 56 explicitly. Like that, 112 code snippets possible. 112. But only 12 completed. Still 100 are there. The 100, if I give any code snippet, you can give answer. Possible. It is possible. 112, no need to learn. Only with 3 only you got it, observe. First 3 myself I taught. Remaining all I asked questions. Majority people given right answers. Possible. Okay. Like that possible. I'll ask one more question. Try to give answer. See, almost 90% of the people given answers. Now, this 13th one. Now, I'll ask question. Try to think and give answer. First think and give answer. Okay. Short A equal to 129. Byte B equal to byte A. System dot out dot println B. This code snippet, will it compile or not? Yes or no? Think yourself and give answer. How many people answer yes? Just raise your hand. Okay, online students. Okay. How many people answer no? Just raise your hand. Don't see the majority. Okay. Sometimes majority will give wrong answer. I'll show you. Present it is basics. When I start object-oriented programming, majority will give wrong answer. It will be happen. Now it is just fundamentals. Okay. When I start object-oriented programming questions, majority giving wrong answers also. That's what. Don't depend on majority people answer. You think yourself and give answer. Your answer right or wrong, leave it. I'm not asking for right answer. Your thinking power should improve. That purpose I'm asking question. Answer right or wrong, leave it. Okay. Now, here, A which type? Short type. B which type? Byte type. It is short to byte or byte to short? Short to byte. Short to byte comes under 19 or 23? 23. So it is not there, you observe. Short to byte is not there. That is not there. But explicit conversion I given here. Explicit I given no? If it is in 23, explicitly required. Explicitly also I given. So it is valid. Valid. But it is 129. It is within the range or out of range? Out of range. Then what will happen? Negative number comes. Minus 128 to plus 127. It will rotate. So like this, it will rotate. Now, plus 128. Plus 128. What it comes? Minus 128. Plus 129. Minus 127. 130. Minus 126. 131. Minus 125. So like this, it will rotate. So like this, it will rotate. So here we are printing B value. B value 129. 129 means what is output comes? Minus 127. So it is valid, but wrong output. Actually, we should not convert. It's our mistake. It is within the range is there, we have to convert. Out of range is there, we should not convert. If we convert, what will happen? System will understand, maybe possible. That's what it will do like that. Okay. This is happened. Write this one. If it is out of range is there, it will be happen like this. So if the number is out of range, it will rotate while converting. It will convert while converting, it will rotate. See, once again, I'll explain. Here, short A equal to 129. Short A equal to 129. Here only out of range is there. Error comes. Here only error comes. But it is within the range. Short A equal to 129 within the range. That short myself forcibly I'm converting into byte. While converting, byte range is minus 128 to plus 127. After 127, next number converts like this. It will rotate like this. It will rotate like this. Plus 128 converted to minus 128. Plus 129 like a minus 127. 130 minus 126. 131 minus 125. 132 minus 124. 133 minus 123. Like that, it will rotate. It will rotate. Year 129. 129 means minus 127. That's what this is the output comes. Is it clear? So like this, it will rotate. Now, so 13 examples you have seen. Is it clear? If I give any other example, you can give answer no? Last one more. See, 14. Float A equal to 97.98.99. Okay. Character B equal to char A. System dot out dot println B. First, is it valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Your answer right or wrong? Think and give answer. I taught from that only. I am not asking new question. Whatever I taught from that only. Valid or not valid? How many people answer valid? Just raise your hand. Okay. Online students. Okay. How many people answer not valid? Okay. Now, A which type? Float type. B which type? It is character to float or float to char? Float to char. Float to char is comes under 19 or 23? 23. So float to character 23 must be done by programmer explicitly. Here explicitly. So valid. Valid. But here 98.99. Then what will happen? 98 only stored in char. 98. 98 means what is output comes? Small b. That is already given. You have to remember. 65 number nothing but capital A. 97 nothing but small a. 48 number nothing but 0. So if I print, output will be small b. Because 98, 97 small a, 98 small b. That's what small b comes. So it is valid. See, I taught only 3. 11 questions I asked. Almost 90% above people are giving answer. Possible. Here, if majority people not giving answer means I'll take one more example. But majority more than 90 plus people, 90% above, 95, 90, all people, majority people giving answer. That's what not required now. Next example. Enough. Okay. Like this 112 code snippets. 112 code snippets possible. Okay. 14 completed. 112, still 98 code snippets possible. But any question, same. Answer is same. That's it. Right, this one. Even if you are IT student or non-IT student, you have to learn Java like this only. Okay. If you are non-IT also, put efforts, work hard. But if you want to get a job in MNC, you have to learn like this only. In second class only, I taught how to learn Java. That is, those who missed it, you watch that video. Okay. Second class only, I taught how to learn Java. First class, I taught what is full stack Java about this course. Second class, I taught how to learn Java. Third class, I taught what is core Java, what is advanced Java, Java editions. 3 classes, I didn't teach subject. Fourth class, I started subject. Okay. So 65 capital A, 66 capital B, 67 capital C, like that up to Z. Here 98 small a, 98 small b, 99 small c, like that up to small z. 48 0, 49 1, 48 52, like that up to 9. Just remember these three. Enough. Remaining you can give answer. Special symbol they won't ask. No need to worry about that. No one will ask. Okay. Is it over? Is it clear? So you have to remember 14 examples are this chart. The chart remember. 14 example don't remember. Okay. This chart if you remember any code snippet you can give answer. Now this is about type conversions. Next one, operations on data. Next heading, operations on data. Operations on data. Operations on data. Here, while performing operations on data, types are going to be changed. Now that is also you have to learn. Suppose operations nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division, less than, greater than. Like this, many operations possible. That is while teaching operators, I'll explain. Present, only addition. Only addition, what will happen? See. Now, it is also on chart is there. Don't write. I'll give it time for writing. Listen. Here. Byte. Short. Int. Char. In these 4 data types, any one data type. So while teaching, listen with more concentration. Later, you will not get any doubt if you follow. Okay. Here, byte. Online students, listen with more concentration. You are asking many doubts. That's what. Byte, short, int, char. These 4 data types, any one data type plus again byte, short, int, char, any one data type, result always int type. So here byte plus byte, integer, byte plus short, integer, byte plus int, integer, byte plus char, integer, short plus byte, integer, short plus short, integer. Like that 4 into 4, 16 operations. 16 operation, result always integer. Now, in 4 data types, any data type, in this 4 data type, any data type, if you add, result always int type only comes. Okay. This is first one. Here. Here, next. You observe byte, short, int, long, char. One additionally added. What is that? Long. Here, again long. Now, result long. So, here, byte plus long, long. Short plus long, long. Int plus long, long. Long plus long, long. Char plus long, long. So, in these 5 data types, any one data type plus long, you will get a long. Okay. Now, these all you didn't study in academics, any college, any university. Okay. Even you have a Java, but very few, maybe 1%, 2% people may learn, but almost 90% of the people, they don't know. In academics, style is different. Here, different. You are learning Java to get a job. For that, these are all important. Okay. That is I'm going to cover. Now, so logics means every minute you have to concentrate. 5-10 minutes if you miss, next concept you may not understand. That will be happen. Major online students, what they'll do is whether they are listening or not listening also I cannot see. Suppose if you are not listening, I can give a warning here. But for them, those who are listening or not listening also I cannot see. That will be happen. See, here, byte, short, int, long, float, char. Here, plus, float. Result always float. So just one float added, you observe. Here one float added, here float added, result float. Byte plus float, float. Short plus float, float. Like this. Now, fourth one. Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, plus, double. Result is double. So, like this. You observe this chart, if you remember, enough. Now, these four data types, any one data type, in these four data types, any one data type, if you add, result always integer. These five data types, any one data type plus long, result always long. These six data types, any one data type plus float, result always float. Seven data types, any one data type plus double, result always double. But here also, Boolean involvement not there. If you add Boolean, error. Any data type plus Boolean, it's error. Okay. Here you observe. Here, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, Boolean. Plus Boolean. Result is always error. You add anything for Boolean, it's an error. So here any one data type plus Boolean, it is error. Okay. Write this all. These all again examples I'll give. Here also only three I'll teach. Fourth one you have to give answer. Only three. Three myself I'll teach. Next one you have to give the answer. Write this complete chart. Online students, listen the class, write the notes. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class, write the notes. End of the session, every day I'll give a time for doubts. So these four data types, any one data type plus these four data types, any one data type, result always integer. These five data types, any one data type plus long, result always long. These six data types, any one data type plus float, result always float. These seven data types, any one data type plus double, result always double. In these eight data types, any one data type plus Boolean, result always error. Boolean is there, error. Okay. In a type conversion also Boolean, error. In a operations on data also Boolean, error. Okay. Now I'll explain. Listen. Listen the class. Listen the class. See, if I ask question, only how many people are listening, you observe. Here total 173. Just how many people are listening online students? Just raise your hand. How many people are listening? Just raise your hand. You observe, number is 120. Still 53 members not listening class. This is online problem. I'm not asking Java question. I'm asking whether listening or not listening. See, 120 reached. Still 53 members not listening class. That is online, offline difference means this is. They'll open Zoom, they'll log in, they'll do their work. That is happening. They'll do other works also. They'll concentrate on mobile also. They'll think outside also. What they are doing also I cannot see. This is the difference between online, offline. If you have an interest, if you concentrate, online also you can listen. Possible. But you should concentrate yourself. That is your responsibility. Offline means I am also responsible. I can see, I can observe. Okay. Listen some examples I'll cover. Now. Here also 3 examples I'll teach. Only 3. Fourth one onwards you can give answer. Possible. Okay. But listen with more concentration. Don't write. I'll give time for writing. Listen. Don't write. Don't write. I'll give time for doubts. Listen. First one. See. Don't write. I'll give time for writing also. Now. Byte A equal to 5. Byte B equal to 10. Byte C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. It is first one. Myself, I'll explain. Three code snippets myself, I'll explain. Fourth code snippet onwards, you have to give the answer. Okay. Now, byte A equal to 5, byte B equal to 10, byte C equal to A plus B. Third line operation is there. Third line, I'll write here. Byte C equal to, say, byte C equal to A plus B. Okay. Here, A which type? Byte type. Here, B which type? Byte type. Okay. A is a byte type. B is a byte type. A is a byte type. B is a byte type. Byte plus byte. Result which type? Integer type. So here, byte plus byte, result is integer type. Integer type. Integer assigned to byte. Now, A which type? Byte type. B which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte which type? Integer type. Integer assigned to which type? It comes under 19 or 23. That is also required. Not only this one. That is also required. Yes, previous concept. Now, integer assigned to byte. Is it comes under 19 or 23? What is that? 23. So, it is error. So this code is error. See, this question, many places they are asking, but BTech 90% student also is not giving answer. What is writing? 10 plus 5, 15. BTech 90%. Reason? Year byte, year byte, year byte. What they'll think? Same data type within the range. But it is error in Java. Many people, they do not know this one. Okay. So byte plus byte. Result always integer in Java. Integer, if you assign to byte, it comes under 23 conversions. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Okay. So it is error in Java. Write this one. Online students, listen the class, write the notes. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, listen the class, write the notes. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Is it over? See, once again, I'll repeat. Once again, I'll repeat. See, in this line, operation is there. That is addition. In this line, addition operation is there. Now, here A which type? Byte type. P which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte. Byte plus byte. Result which type? Integer type. Result is integer. Integer assigned to which type? Byte type. Integer to byte. It comes under 19 conversions or 23 conversions? 23 conversions. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. That's what error. Okay. Most of the students, this answer they are writing 15. Reason, year byte, year byte, year byte. That to 10 plus 5, 15 within the range. Like that only they'll think. Actually, it is error in Java. Got it? Now, this error can be solved or not? Yes, possible. See, here you observe into to byte. Is there here? No, it comes under 23. That's what error. That error we can solve. How to solve? See. I'll solve that error. You observe. That is only second code snippet type I'll give. See, whatever I given, byte A equal to 5, byte B equal to 10, byte C equal to, in the brackets, byte A plus B. System dot out dot println C. If I write, what will be happen? Once again, listen with more concentration. I will give time for writing. I'll give it time for writing. Listen. Now, you observe what I given. Like this, I given. First, A. A which type? A which type? Byte type. Byte explicitly converted to which type? Byte type. Then again, what will happen? Byte comes. After that, B which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte. Which type? Which type? Integer type. Here, integer assigned to which type? It is again error. Because what we did is only A converted as byte. A plus B result we have to convert. These are called logics. But it is also error. So here what is converted to byte? A only converted to byte. Actually, what we have to convert? A plus B result we have to convert. But result is not converted. Only A converted. That's what. It is also error. Okay. Write this one also. One more I'll give. To get a programming skills, to get a logical skills, lots of practice required. You need to think also every day while asking questions. You have to involve, then only possible. Okay. Is it over? Now you observe. Once again, I'll repeat. Here, in this line, operation is there. Okay. In this line, operation is there. That is addition. Here, A which type? Byte type. Byte explicitly converted to which type? Byte type. So byte. B which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte which type? Integer type. See, byte plus byte. Result int. Integer assigned to which type? Byte. Is it comes under 19 or 23? That's what again error. Now this code snippet only one more style. See. Don't write. I'll give time for writing. Byte A equal to 5. Byte B equal to 10. Byte C equal to in the brackets byte in the brackets A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Now you observe byte C equal to in the brackets byte again in the brackets A plus B. Okay. Like this I given. Now first A which type? A which type? Byte type. B which type? Byte type. Byte plus byte. Result which type? Integer type. Integer myself I converted to which type? Byte. So we got a byte. Byte assigned to which type? Byte. So it is valid. Then output is 15. Now you'll get output 15. So like this. So here A is a byte type, B is a byte type. Byte plus byte int type. Integer explicitly converted to byte. Byte assigned to byte. That's what valid. In this program, in this logical code snippet, result of A plus B converted to byte. But in previous code snippet, A only converted to byte. That difference is there. Okay. Write this one. But how to execute this code till I didn't explain. Welcome program also I didn't explain. I started logic already told. Okay. That will cover. If how to execute, how to check on system, I'll show you. Not completed. Is it over? Three code snippets I explained. Fourth one, I'll ask questions. Okay. Suppose if I ask whether you understood or not, if I ask, then what will happen? Every student will you understood only. Then you will feel you understood. I'll feel all understood. Only feeling, no subject. That's what. I'll ask one more question, logical code snippet. You given right answer means you understood. You given wrong answer means you didn't understand. You will get it your status. Then total classroom status I can understand. Majority given wrong means I'll go for one more code snippet. Then only you'll get a subject. Okay. See. Three code snippets you have seen. With that knowledge, give me answer. See. Here, fourth code snippet. You observe. Character A equal to capital A. Character A equal to capital A. Byte B equal to 5. Integer C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. This code snippet, will it compile or not? Yes or no? Think yourself and give answer. Don't depend on majority people answer. Don't depend on friend answer. That is also. Okay. Your answer right or wrong, you give answer. Don't depend on friend answers also. Don't depend on majority people answer. Okay. How many people answer yes? Okay. Online students. Okay. How many people answer no? See, almost all people given right answer. Okay. No, 1, 2 members not given answer. See, but think and give answer. Answer right or wrong, leave it. Think and give answer. You observe year. Operation is year. Integer c equal to a plus b. Year. A which type? A which type? Char type. B which type? Byte type. Character plus byte. Result which type? Integer type. See, it is already is there. Character plus byte. Result is integer. So integer type. Integer assigned to which type? Integer type. Valid. Okay. Now, here, what will be the output? What is the output? 70. How it will be 70? Capital A nothing but 65. 65 plus 5. 70. So output 70. Write this one. See, 3 code snippets I taught. Fourth one only majority 90% above given answer. Possible. If you listen with concentration, if you work hard, possible. Online, we cannot predict. Online, we cannot expect. Because I asked how many people are listening, also asked. 53 members not listening class. You have seen. That question only they didn't respond. How they'll respond for this all? Online difference will be there. That is their responsibility. See, now if I ask any code snippet, can you give answer or not? Possible. It is possible. So that chart you have to remember. Any code snippet, you can give answer. Now I'll ask one more question. Okay. Here A which type? Character type. B which type? Byte type. Character plus byte which type? Integer type. Integer assigned to which type? Integer type. So it is valid. Capital A nothing but 65. 65 plus 5. That's what output 70. Okay. One more I'll give. One more. Fifth one. Byte A equal to 97. Short B equal to 3. Character C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Will it compile or not? Yes or no? This chart required, previous chart also required. Will it compile or not? Yes or no? What happened? Again, yes or no came. Previously, all people given right answer. One more thing. While giving answer, don't discuss with your friend. Suppose your answer is yes, your friend answer is no. Assume your answer yes, your friend answer no. You will discuss. Then what will happen? One person will compromise. Both will give yes or both will give no. Then your answer may be right. After discussion with your friend, you will change the answer. That will happen. That's what think and give answer. Okay. How many people answer compiles? Yes. How many people answer no? Okay. Majority people no. Okay. Here char C equal to A plus B. A which type? A which type? Byte type. B which type? B which type? Short type. A is a byte type, B is a short type. Byte plus short which type? Integer type. It is already is there. Byte plus short. Result integer. Integer assigned to which type? Character type. It comes under 19 or 23? 23. So it will not compile. It's an error. Write this one. No, we have to convert explicit. 23 conversion. No? Directly if you write a number, different. Directly number if you write, different. Variables if you write, different. Directly char equal to number 70 if you write, valid. 100 if you write, valid. But variables if you write, not valid. See, suppose if you write like this, char equal to 100, it is valid. Directly writing valid. Here, byte plus short, integer. Integer assigned to character. Integer to char comes under 23. Must be done by programmer explicitly, no? That's what error. It comes under 23 conversion. Explicit conversion required. Is it clear? A is which type? A is a byte type. B is a byte plus short integer type. Integer assigned to which type? Character type. Integer to character comes under 23 conversions. Then not valid. Explicit conversion required. Okay. See, if I write one more, see, byte equal to 97. Short B equal to 3. Char C equal to, in the brackets, char A plus B. Is it valid? It is also not valid. Suppose if I write like this, valid. Now it is valid. What is the output comes? What is output? Small d. Right. See, char C equal to, in the brackets, char A plus B. Here A which type? A which type? Byte type. B which type? Short type. Byte plus short which type? Integer type. Integer explicitly converted to which type? Character type. Character assigned to which type? Character type. So valid. But here 97 nothing but small a. 98 nothing but small b. 99 nothing but small c. 100 nothing but small t. So output small d. Output small d. Because 100, 97 plus 3, 100. 100 means small d. ASCII code. "97 small a, 98 small b, 99 small c, 100 small d." So A is a byte type, B is a short type, byte plus short integer type, integer assigned to character, converted to character, then character explicitly converted to character. That's what valid. So 97 plus 3, 100. But we are printing character format. That's what output will be small d. 100 means small d. Is it over? We'll see continuation tomorrow. One more thing. This Sunday you have a class because festival holidays 4-5 days comes. That is the reason this Sunday you have a class. So tomorrow you have a class. Day after tomorrow also you have a class. Festival holidays 4-5 days comes. That is the reason this Sunday same time will be there. Okay. Actually class is Monday to Saturday. Only this Sunday will be there because Sankranti festival is, at the time 4-5 days holidays comes. That is the reason you have a class. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Those who missed this uh, this video links you can take. These 7 classes. Online students, 1 minute, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Shravani, directly 100 if you write valid, but if you write variable, not valid. Lomesh, these are online video links. Drive link, it takes time. You need to wait 2 more days. Tejaswini, yeah, I'll explain. I'll explain tomorrow also. I'll explain. Mayureshwar, float plus double, result is double. Long plus float, result is float. Um, Vrushali, output 99 will not come because 0.99 truncated. 99 truncated. It is removed. Sairam, HTML, CSS, JavaScript scheduled already. I told 2 o'clock, Monday, 2 o'clock you can attend. Oracle, 11 o'clock you can attend. Pujita. Uh, while writing floating point literal, F compulsory. While writing variable, not required. Vinay, today video link, tomorrow you'll get it. Shubham, integer to character comes under 23. That's what explicitly we have to convert. Hamza, yeah, Java is case sensitive. Compulsory you have to follow. Varalakshmi, small a nothing but 97. Small b nothing but 98. Like that you have to calculate. Madhura, character a equal to 65 valid. But character, if you write variable, not valid. Sanjana, if timing is not suitable at present, Oracle and HTML, wait for next batch. After festival holidays, it will be there. Hamza, Advanced Java, Spring, after Advanced Java, Spring also, basics is required. Spring also important. Abraham, HTML batch, Oracle batch, parallelly you can attend. HTML, 2 p.m. is there, Monday. Oracle, 11 a.m. is there, Monday. You can attend. In Naresh Reddy website, this information is there. You can see. Dibyaranjan. Further, no recordings. Ashok, next batch, it takes time. Online students, any other doubts? Uh, Online students, yeah. Tomorrow you have a class, Dharmendra. Tomorrow also have, this Sunday also have. Fajal, Java better. Vinay, this Java course, it will take 3 months. Dibya Ranjan, thank you. Tejaswini, third code snippet, that type I'll repeat tomorrow also. Sai, whatever I taught, from that only I'm asking questions. Hamja, second year BTech, no, BTech should be completed. If any reference is there, you may get it. Sai Ram, you need to wait. After few days, I'll give assignments also, I'll conduct exams also. Ajay, yeah, that is also one language. Requirement is less, competition less. Sanjana, advanced Java batch after completion of exception handling topic you have to attend. Vrushali, whatever I given chart, this is only you have to remember. Hamja, yes, possible. Tejaswini, A plus B result converted to byte type. A plus B result. If you don't take brackets, only A converted. If you don't take brackets, okay. If you don't take brackets, only A the bracket result converted. Monica, yeah, I'm teaching offline also, online, offline, online both. Morning sessions also I'm teaching, but present my batch is not there. Converted. See, if you write like this, byte C equal to in brackets byte A converted to byte. If you write like this, after performing operation converted. Here A plus B result converted. Here only A converted. This writing is different, this one different. Okay. Abraham, placement opportunities, core Java, advanced Java, and Oracle should be completed. Then they'll conduct one exam. If you pass, they'll provide freely. Fajal, campus recruitment, they'll ask even uh, campus recruitment C language also they'll ask. And even mathematical aptitude also they'll ask. Sairam, audio is breaking. No, I think problem your side also. Hamza, Oracle completed, core Java. But possible, if you learn full stack Java, more opportunities will be there. Tejaswini, that syntax is like that only. Why only A converted, not B means? That is syntax. If you write A plus B in the bracket, result converted. Why only A means? That is like that only syntax. That is different, that is different. If you write two different styles are there, no? That's what like that. Difference is there. I given very clear. See, once again, I'll explain. Listen. Byte C equal to, in the bracket, byte here, A plus B. This part, this one only. If you write like this, here, this is converted to byte. If you write like this, only this one converted to byte. Writing code is year different, you observe. These brackets, this total result converted to byte. Here only A converted to byte. Okay. Hamza, I'll explain. How to download JDK, how to use, I'll explain. Jagan, previous classes, that videos I given, no? You listen, these classes. Pujita, I'll teach HTML, CSS, JavaScript also. And advanced Java also. Full stack Java, total I'll cover, I'll teach. But present my slot is not there. Any other doubts? Hamza, thank you. Any other doubts? We'll see continuation tomorrow.